Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be looking at how to incorporate shapes into a title. Before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we upload training videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, once again, this is just another video on titles. So how to incorporate shapes into a title that at the end of the day when you're printing it or cutting it, that it actually looks nice and clean and doesn't give you any problems. So let's say, for instance, in this example, we want to put a little heart between the I and the U. So this is just the basic text, as we can see here on our layers panel or properties. Then what we want to do is, or should I rather say that as the fill and style or fill and stroke, we basically just have a basic red color and a border. Let's maybe round the border a bit more, so a black border or stroke. So first thing we want to do is ungroup this. So with it selected, you can either go to object, ungroup, or I'll be right clicking and going to ungroup. Then now on our layers panel, we can see it is divided into two separate shapes. They are still text, but individual little shapes. So now if we had to select, just open this. So now next thing you want to do is make spacing for the heart. So I'm going to just be using my arrow keys with the U selected, and then go to the right, select the I and go to the left. So I find something I like. Afterwards we can realign it onto the design. And next thing you want to open your libraries panel, which is on the top right here. So we want to locate a heart shape. So now we have a few different to pick from. I think I'm going to choose this nice little rounded heart. So I'm just going to click, hold, and drag it into my canvas. Let's close the library and then scale this heart up by keeping Alt plus Shift while clicking that scale button. And then get a scale which I kind of like, maybe around here. And I'm going to move this shape into the U, and then I'm going to realign I so that it looks a bit better. Something on that line I think could work. You can obviously reposition these one high, one low. I'll keep this just like this for now. The next up, what you want to do is select all three of these shapes. Just drag a selection box over them, make sure it's over the edges. But if it's not over the edges, make sure you keep shifting, and then anything the edges touch or the blue block touches, it will be selected. Then next thing we want to do is we want to use the union tool. So if we go here to to object, then we navigate till we can find it's actually not object, it's path. My apologies. I'm used to the merge tool. So we go to path, we go to union, which is Alt U, and once we selected this, now as you can see, it's unioned all of that together into one shape for us. So we go to preview. You can also see that it is jointed into one. Now if you want something a bit less destructive, you can say we undo this, and now as you can see, the shape is still separate. So if we had to go here to preview button, now we can see they'll be cutting into each other. So what you can do is, once again, we select all three of these shapes, we go to the style panel, which will be located here on the right with a little spanner, and then we say wild. Then if we go preview, you will see it's graying out where it's going to cut out, but you do not see the outline preview. In my case, if I like the design, I'll just go to path, union, or Alt U if you use the shortcut key. And there you go, we've got a single little nice graphics which you can now move around, play around with, and touch it up even more. But otherwise, that is it on incorporating shapes into a title. We head here to VinylCut.co.za. The program is freely available here, just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned in the intro video, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you are able to isolate your search here if you're looking for anything specific. Otherwise, if you still come dry and you don't find what you're looking for, we have this nice little request training video button. Select that, fill in the form, and then we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.